How to enable JavaScript on your Google Chrome. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable JavaScript in your Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you might want to do is open up your Google Chrome. After you open up your Google Chrome, on the top right, you will see three dots. Tap on it and right there you will see the settings. If you scroll down, you'll find it. If you don't find it easily like that, so tap on settings. And after you tap on settings, you will see this settings has just opened up. Now what you'll need to do is you will need to head over to your privacy and security. And right there, you should see different options. Now under privacy and security, you'll find an option called site settings. Head over there. And after you're on your site settings, you can simply scroll down and under content, you will find JavaScript. Head over there and here you will see sites can use JavaScript and sites can't use your JavaScript. So make sure that you choose this one. And with that, now your JavaScript has been enabled in your Google Chrome. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. If you guys are new to App Hacks, don't forget to subscribe and bye bye. Take care.